we're live. Kim's not here this week, so we didn't do the vamp thing. We just kind of put the camera on and it's running. And I've got to tune up, but the show's going to get going here in about 2-3 minutes. So hang on, folks, and thanks for watching. And we hope everything's okay out there. We're on live. Oh, did you check it with your phone? Somebody check it. I'm like surprised.
Yeah. We're way down in the basement of Sardo's Studios.
Sorry, my back, folks, but well, I'll check my tuning real quick. So you're here at Carmine's Country Corner. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. All you beautiful moms out there.
This portion of the show brought to you by ST Products. Seat covers for 18-wheelers.
Yep. We sold some of those this week. Last week, we sold about 5-6 covers.
The whole country's going to be sitting on
Truckers
you.
are buying those things.
They're sitting on you. They're sitting on your name.
Somebody's entertain these folks while I want. What are we opening with, Paul?
Let's do at Working Man's.
Okay, let's hit it.
Working Man Blues. Not too fast.
Okay, let's off with that one note. Check.
If I'm not the loudest, please write in and I'll turn up.
A lot of reverb. Lots of
Yeah, this is could stand a little more. Check.
watch out.
Check. That's better. Check.
What are you doing now?
Oh, I got verb in there now.
I'm trying to, but it's great. You're leaning on the mic stand and
Yeah, it's not feedback. Oh, what a joke.
well, if it is, I'll turn it down.
See, when my daughter's not here and Dan's doing the camera work and the drums, it's hard to do both. So that's why you get all this setup stuff. Watching us. So yeah, we got to bring it down. Bring them all down. I don't want feedback. Thank you. Just yell into the mic. Working Man Blues. You ready? Ready, Dan? Yep. Here we go.
Well, it's a big job that's getting by with 3 kids and a wife. I've been a working man, dang it, all my life.
You know, that's a good song to open up with the show
It
tonight, and I'm going to tell you why. Because the reason we didn't have a show last week was because I'd gone to Nashville. Susie and I caught a last-minute flight, and we got to go to the Ryman Auditorium and watch the 75th anniversary of the Telecaster guitar. Fender put on a really great show. Place was packed, and it ended up being like a tribute to James Burton, you know. And the opening of the show was, for me and Sue, I mean, we were crying when they pulled this off. The lights went dark, place was packed, and then the stage, I think they might have had a curtain. Anyway, when it opened up, the lights came on, and whoever was playing the guitar did a great job with a great tone, and they opened with Susie Q. But the thing about it was that nobody sang the song, they just played the lick. And they just played that lick, and the crowd went nuts. Everybody started clapping. And then they went from there, they started doing some of the Merle Haggard thing, the Working Man Blues stuff that James played on, and The Fugitive and all that stuff. And then they went into some of the Emmylou stuff. And so the first 20 minutes of the show was just the band playing James Burton licks. And the crowd knew every one of them. Every time they came up with the new lick, the crowd we just screamed and roared. It was such a great tribute to James, and he earned every note of it in his lifetime. I mean, he laid it down for all of us, didn't he, Paul?
He did.
I mean, if you're gonna play country music with a Telecaster, that kind of a thing, he brought it home.
He wrote the book.
He wrote the book, and he was there, and he was doing great, and we got to, see the show and hang out, and we just had a great time. Sue and I flew out Sunday, and then Monday was the show, and then I flew back on Tuesday, so it was like a quickie. All right, well, we're going to get back to the show. Happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful moms out there with all your beautiful children. And I took Susie to, where did we go today? We went somewhere. I know I bought her flowers. Yeah, I saw my daughter Kim. I saw Susie. Yeah, it's good. And where's your lovely wife?
She's in Texas. I didn't have to get her.
You didn't have to.
Whereabouts?
They had a big sale on flowers at Bonds,
Yeah.
You could have saved a
Could've
little
bought
bit
some
of.
for me.
Yeah, right.
Where's she at in Texas?
She's been in Frederickson and Fort Worth and Dallas, and she's all over the place.
I just got back from Texas. It was fun, great shows. They gave me an honorary Texan, and they took it back when they found out I was born in Texas.
My two brothers, my brother Sonny, who passed away, and my brother Tony, who thank God is still with us. Every time we went to a restaurant, and when we'd go to pay the bill, anytime there was like some young, cute little girl, 19 years old, working her way through college, they would do, a couple of older guys, you could walk up with the bill to pay it, and they would do this routine every time where Sonny would say, so how much is it? And she'd say, $28, or whatever it was. And then Tony would say, does that include taxes? And Sonny would say, I have an uncle who lives in Texas. And then Tony would say, no, taxes like dollars. And Sonny would say, yeah, Dallas, Texas. But they would do it real quick. And this young girl would be looking at these guys like, what the hell are they talking about? Anyway, let's do another song.
Day I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heart admit. to come. And crying time for me had just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. Come on, mama. What a fool I was, think I was gonna get by. With only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the worst yet to come. And my time with me just begun. I bet the day I started loving you again. I'm right back, Lord, where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. I said today I started loving you again.
So, if you're watching us on Facebook, make sure you push share and like, and if you're watching us on YouTube, push subscribe. Now, most of the folks out there, if they know how to get to the show and watch it, they already know that, to do that. But that helps us out when you, if you push those little buttons for
Where's
us.
Uncle Tom, man?
Was who at?
Tom.
Tom.
You know the guy that knows
Oh,
everything?
yeah. Tom Paul Wilson. Haven't talked to him since we did the thing at the Gene Autry Museum. And he's here today, and he's actually, you're sitting behind the counter, you're having fun. He moved right in. I love it. It's like the old days. Look over there, and Tom's at the controls. That's
Oh,
good.
is he coming
And my
up?
good friend Bob Pelly
Are you coming up?
is here. Come on up now. I'm gonna give you my mic, and just, you know what to do. Great to see you. I guess Jason's coming out pretty soon.
That's what I heard
Yeah,
today.
he's coming, yeah.
That's what I heard today. I just wanted to say, look at all the green I'm wearing. You know why?
What?
I just wanted to wear green on St. Patrick's Day.
Good.
Only it's Mother's Day.
Oh,
I'm sorry?
It's Mother's Day. Unless you happen to be from Ireland, then you can wear green for
I thought
Mother's
this was St. Patrick's Day.
Mother's Day.
Oh, for crying out.
Mother's Day.
I must look ridiculous.
Well, you gotta really,
I want to get taller.
you gotta really go a long way to look ridiculous in this band. That's all I gotta say.
There we go. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were sitting down.
No, I'm standing. Gotta get out of the way a little bit.
All right, what are we gonna do?
Living on the road.
Face
Is
the
that okay, Paul?
If I remember it.
All right.
Face the audience.
I got a good profile.
I know, but
My profile's fine.
I'm
It's,
telling you what to do when it comes to video. Can you imagine?
well, are you sure it's Mother's Day?
I'm pretty sure it is.
Oh God! All right. Living on the road, my friend, gonna keep us and clean. Now you wear your skin like iron, you press as hard as kerosene. Weren't your mama's only boy, but her favorite one it seemed. She began to cry when you said goodbye and sank into your dream. Go, Paul. Pancho was a bandit boy, fast as polished steel. Wore his gun outside his pants for all the honest world to feel. Now Pancho made his mansion in a desert down in Mexico. Nobody heard his dying word. Oh, but that's the way it goes. And all the fellas say you could have had it any day. They only let 'em slip away. Out of kindness, I suppose. The lefty, he can't sing the blues all night long like he used to. But does the Pancho bit down south, it up and left his mouth. The day they let old Pancho go, left his split for Ohio, and where he got the bread to go. There ain't nobody knows. Poets tell how Pancho fell, left his living in some cheap hotel. Desert's quiet, Cleveland's cold, and so the story ends with told. Pancho needs your presence true, save a few for lefty too. He only did what he had to do. Now he's going was fun.
Do one more.
One more.
We'll get the band back on.
Do the Bob Dylan.
Which one?
Bob Dylan, Mama, take this 6-pack from me.
Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark for me to see. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. One more, that's all. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Gary Swan. Mama, take this gun and put it in the ground. I can't shoot it anymore. That long dark cloud coming down. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Carmine, take us out, buddy. Wrap it up when you're ready.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Tom, what I have for Tom, what's going on?
Guys, I really apologize to all the mothers out there, but if a leprechaun's out there, hey, it's okay.
He dressed for St. Patrick's Day. I like it. It looks good though. I mean, you're in green. How's your lovely wife? She's doing good? Absolutely. Happy Mother's Day. Okay, so, Paul. Yeah, what are we going to do?
Another song here.
Is it a St. Patrick's Day song or a Mother's Day song?
Geez, Susie showed up.
Hey, hi Susie.
How'd you sneak in there, baby? Well, good to see you. Have a cupcake. All you guys eat. I got some cupcakes. Eat them all. Got to get rid of them.
So we lost
Thank you,
a,
Tom. Thanks. Thanks, guys.
betcha Tom.
Anytime.
Am I in the way? Am I getting in the way?
No.
Not at all.
So we lost a real character, a one-of-a-kind guy, great songwriter, great singer, David Allan Coe.
Oh, I heard about that.
David Allan
Yes.
Coe died, and he is gone.
We opened for him once with Michael Dark
How
at
fun.
the Coach Room down in Capistrano, wherever it is, the Coach House.
I'll bet that was
Whatever
quite
it's
a thing.
called. It was good. Yeah, he was interesting,
Yeah, he was
But
an
good.
He was an interesting guy.
and he wrote some great
He wrote a
songs.
lot of great songs.
And it's feedback still just a little. I'm sorry.
So
I got my best
we're gonna
man.
do one of his songs.
Back a little. There you go.
Would you lay with me? And it starts.
David Allan Coe.
Until I start
You don't have to call me dog.
doing time, and then it's halftime.
Okay, remember all that, Dan. What key we in?
Key of D. Would you lay with me in a field of stone if my needs were strong? Would you lay with me? Should my lips grow dry, would you wet them, dear, in the midnight hour, if my lips were dry? Would you go away to another land, walk 1,000 miles through the burning sand? Wipe the blood away from my dying hands if I gave myself to you. Would you bathe with me in the stream of life when the moon is full? Would you bathe with me? Will you still love me when I'm down and out in my time of trials? Will you stand by me? And will you go away to another land? Walk 1,000 miles through the burning sand. Wipe the blood away from my dying hands if I gave myself to you. Would you lay with me in a field of stone if my needs were strong? Would you lay with me?
Yeah, man. David Allan Coe.
Yeah. Thank you.
Good, great songwriter. Good performer too. We had fun the night we got to open for him. Anyway, it was fun.
He was one of a kind.
David Allan Coe wrote that. Yeah.
I did not know that.
He did.
But you learn something every day.
Big hit for Tanya Tucker.
You want to do another one?
I'd love to.
Go ahead.
Are you asking me to?
Go ahead.
This is one by Mr. Buck Owens. My favorite story about Buck Owens is he had the band on retainer, and they weren't touring, so he got them to paint the fence.
Well, that's when job description comes in. What was the job description when you hired me? That's a great line.
Money needlessly.
That's a great line.
I got a good gig for you guys, boys, today. You'll go out there and get that can of paint. Here's a tune that Buck did. That's how it's kind of a, what do you call it?
Song.
No, it's a lead in. A lead in. Showbiz. It's showbiz, my man. You wouldn't know that. You're not in the showbiz like us. See, act naturally. Hey, I think it goes like 1, 2, oh. Well, they're gonna put me in the movies. They're gonna make a big star out of me. Make a film about a man that's sad and lonely. And all I gotta do is act naturally. Well, I bet you I'm gonna be a big star. Help me. Win an Oscar, you can't never tell. Movie's gonna make me a big star. And I can play the part so well. Well, I hope you come and see me in the movie. Then I know that you will plainly see the biggest fool ever in the big time. And all I gotta do is act naturally. Well, I bet you I'm gonna be a big star. Might win an Oscar, you can't never tell. Who is gonna make me a big star? I can play the part so well. Well, I hope you come and see me in the movie. Then I know that you will plainly see biggest fool ever at the big time. And all I gotta do is act naturally. All I gotta do is act naturally. All I gotta do is act naturally. Now, I think if I would have done it in G,
I like the ball cap.
I just imagine
I like
put
the
it in
ball
G.
cap, Teresa, doctor. Dr. Teresa.
I ain't a doctor, but I got plenty of patience.
Ball cap. Well, I want to sing one today.
Blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. And since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out.
since you've been gone. No matter who I try to be, this blue and broken hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, and no matter what I try to be, this blue and broken hearted me. Oh, blue, broken hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter how I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. And broken hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Thank you, folks. Yeah, pretty good. We locked in. Felt pretty good to me. We still got about 18 minutes. We ain't done yet. Paul, what do you got?
I blew on Lonesome too.
I love that song, Wiki. Again, hey, they got no by now. Hey folks, I think next week is gonna, in fact I know it is, we're gonna celebrate our 6th year anniversary doing this show. So tell all your friends and let's try to have a big turnout. I might get some food, spend a little bit of money, invite a bunch of friends. Tom, are you coming up next Sunday? Are you busy? You can't next Sunday?
I'll be watching.
Okay, well, say hello. We're going to do our 6th year. Now, Paul's been with us, part of the show, the main part, one of them, since the beginning. Dan Hugard came a little later, but he's always been around. Of course, Gary Swan started out with us. And these guys all been around for 6 years, and I am so blessed and honored to, at the end of the week, you know, I come up here and I set all this stuff up to try to have a little bit of fun on Sunday for an hour. And man, these great guys show up that I just love like brothers, and we just have fun for an hour. And nothing is serious around here. We love mistakes. We like it when things go wrong. It's okay. It's part of life. Nobody got hurt. We're having a good time. That's the main thing. Right, Paul?
A lot of fun, mistakes and all.
It's just good, you know. But you know, on the other hand, though, there's a lot of mistakes that are not being made. which means somewhere it's okay.
That's a very good point.
You know, so, you know, you gotta kind of weigh it out.
Sometimes I make a mistake and I don't even know I did.
Well, you know, sometimes the mistakes work out good. They're better than what we thought we were gonna do. Anyway, that's just part of the business. But want to thank you all for watching. We do this because we love doing it. What do you got? What do you got, Swan?
What? You were talking to me?
Yeah, well, I heard you talking.
Well, no, I was talking about you. It's very rude when you're
No, you can
talking
talk about me
somebody,
behind my back.
and
That's
then
okay.
well, I can't go in front of you. You'll see me. Paul Marshall's going to do a tune as you just announced it.
Yes, he did.
I'm Blue Emotion too.
That was it.
Like that. So 1, 2, 3, and.
The lonesome side of the train going by makes me wanna stop and cry.
What did I tell you we were gonna do?
I don't know, just do it. Do what you think about it.
Oh, lonesome me, thanks for reminding and helping me out there. Stu. Yeah, folks, it is. Funniest thing, I gotta say this. I was getting undressed the other night to go to bed, and I had 2 belts on.
One to hold the front up and one to hold the back up.
Well, the first belt wasn't working, so apparently I don't know. Life was easier when I was doing fun drugs. Now I'm just doing all these med drugs.
I'll tell you something funny happened to me. This is many years ago. I was working at my upholstery shop at night. Sometimes I'll come in late just to get things caught up so people aren't calling and bothering me. And I come in, and there's a bug like this big, a big one. It made like a noise, you know. It's just and it's flying around the light, and I'm ducking it. I don't know what it is. All of a sudden, it's gone. It's just dead silence, and every time I make a move, I'm kind of looking to make sure it doesn't jump out and scare the hell out of me. So it's about 2 in the morning, and I decide to go home. And I lock up and I drive home, about 2 miles. I go upstairs, I walk into the bathroom to get ready for bed. I wash my face, I look down, and that sucker was right here, right on my inside thigh, on my Levi's, hanging on. Oh my God! I mean, it scared me to death, but I didn't jump because I didn't want it to take off. I grabbed the towel and and I took care of it. But that thing, I don't know how long it'd been in my life.
That's how a cat can scare an elephant.
Oh,
People are
He liked
they're
you.
just scared of little things.
Obviously, he followed you home. He liked
oh,
you.
it got, I don't know how long it'd been sitting there, but it would go all the way home with me. It hung on. I went upstairs. I took my shirt off. I was
Yes,
starting to
it-
get cleaned up. I looked down, there it was, hanging on. I'm like, what the heck?
Yeah, he said, wait till this clown gets home, I'm gonna get him. Okay, this is a tune that I didn't write. Hold on to me, in G. 1, 2, Everybody's going out, having fun. And if the fool goes staying home, having none. Can't get over how she set me free. she's not like me, no, no, she's out of fancy free. She's flirting with a boy, lovely John. Without his love or soul, brother, don't you know? I'd welcome her right back in my arms. Well, there must be somewhere I can lose lonesome blues. Get up at the fence and find somebody new. Thought of everything made it easy. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me. You know the habit I'm doing now when I'm playing? I'll lay my hand on the organ and it's like, hey,
It's all good. Two belts. Two belts.
two belts. And they were both bug.
So the other day, what?
The elastic kind.
Yeah, oh yeah, I like those.
Yeah. But if you can't laugh at yourself, who can you laugh at?
Well, the other day I was,
One bug.
yeah, two belts and one bug. The other day I was playing down at Knott's, and I don't always wear cowboy boots when I go there. Sometimes I'll just put on shoes. And I work with Tom. We sit down and play. When I work with Eric, we stand up. So I'm with Tom, so we're sitting down, which is very comfortable. It's really cool. And Sue goes with me, my lovely wife Susie, and we do the first little 30-minute show. And I get down and she says, "Carmine." I said, "What?" She says, "You're wearing two different colored socks." And you know the old story. I said, "You know, it's funny because I have another pair just like these at home." Yeah, that's the old joke. But I was kind of stuck, so the rest of the day, before I sit down, you know, I'm pulling my pants down.
Yeah.
So when I sit down, they won't rise up too high, and people will see this one black sock and one gray sock. But I got through the night, and it was okay. And, you know, things like that happen.
Fan mail.
Hey, we got time. Folks, we're going to do one more song, Call of the Night. It was a little loose today, but we had a lot of fun. It was great to see Tom, and of course, my good friend Bob. Bob, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to ask you something. Don't ever come to my show again, or our show again, without bringing a rhythm guitar with you. Because almost 99% of the time, you're going to do something with us. So we love you, and thanks. I've got to admit him. I was 18 years old when I met this guy. Unbelievable. Okay. You want to close it out? Sure. What do we got?
Darth Hollow.
We're going to see you folks next week, and God bless you, and thank you, Dr. Kathy and Dr. Teresa, for coming up and being so nice as you always are. And we'll see you guys next
I
week.
don't know sharps and flats. I never liked those people.
Yeah. fun, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Tim will be back